Overall, vehicle is in a good condition for the Cat S vehicle. It's low mileage. Its interior is clean, and everything on our infotainment system is working. The mileage is original. However, the structural damage has been affected on this quarter panel. Behind the quarter panel is being repaired, not to manufacturer standards and industry standards, but I would consider satisfactory. There's still structural marks from previous damage evident, but tires are excellent. Discs are good. The alloy wheels. All the brakes front and back are good. So it's the bodywork. There are a few things you'll see them in a